I am attorney Robert Geller. I am a board certified consumer bankruptcy attorney in Florida. And today I want to talk to you a little bit about what your duties are if you file a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. And so, what I'm talking about is what you have to do after your case is generally filed. Um, so first of all, you need to make your plan payments. You should have a plan that gets filed with the court. Um, we will give you a monthly payment. That payment has to be paid every 30 days. If you don't make your payments, unfortunately, you can't stay in bankruptcy court. The court will move to dismiss your case. So that's kind of a basic duty. But there are some other duties that are really important. First of all, you have to file your tax returns, and the returns have to be filed on time. You can't ask for extensions. If you get a refund, you have to turn that refund over to the court, or you could ask to keep the refund if you have some kind of special circumstances. Let's say you have major repairs on your home, need major medical treatment, dental treatment, major repairs to your car. There is a process and a procedure to ask to keep the refund. Some of the other important duties are, let's say, about your income. Let's say you have a substantial increase in your income. What do I mean by substantial increase? There's no exact definition, but let me say that what I have seen is if your income increases more than 10%, you should certainly get in touch with your attorney, because if you have a substantial change in income, you have to amend your documents, and potentially you may have to pay more back to your creditors. That's a great question to go over with your attorney. The other duties you have are you have to, you can't borrow money while you're in a Chapter 13. So if you want to buy a car or a house, you have to ask permission to do that. You can't transfer anything while you're in a Chapter 13, meaning you can't sign over a car to your son or your parents. You can't sell your house. You can do those things, you just need permission. Those are the major duties. Let's say that you get involved in an automobile accident. Now, hopefully that never happens to you, or any other accident, and you want to bring a claim. Our firm handles accident cases. Hopefully you'll never need us for that. But you have to, most importantly, you have to notify the court that you have a claim there. Because if you don't notify the court and amend your documents, when you go to file your lawsuit, the defendant or their attorney, they're very good at this, will ask your case to be dismissed because you didn't tell the court about your lawsuit. So it's really important that you notify your attorney as soon as possible if you have a claim. The other thing is, if you receive any inheritance or get any life insurance, you have to notify your attorney and you have to notify the court of that. You may have to turn that money over to the trustee or the person who collects your monthly payments, and they may disperse that money to your creditor. So it's very important that you get in touch with your attorney. If you follow these rules and you make your payments on time and you communicate with your attorney, you'll make it through your Chapter 13 bankruptcy, you'll get your discharge, you'll be able to rebuild your credit, and life will be much better. So these are your duties. I am attorney Robert Geller. I want to help you build a bridge to a brighter future. If you have any questions about Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 bankruptcy, feel free to give us a call or message us on Facebook. Thank you.